The weather here in central Iowa may be warming up for Christmas, but if you get these sniffles around the holiday season, it may be caused by more than just a cold. Here's ABC's Michelle Franzen with more.
Few people are truly allergic to pine trees, but your Christmas tree could be triggering your symptoms. According to the Cleveland Clinic, real trees sometimes carry mold, pollen, and even tiny critters. So unless you shake out or hose down your tree, you're likely inviting allergens into your living room. Artificial trees can also cause problems. They can accumulate dust in storage. Wipe them down before setting them up, and don't forget to give ornaments and other decorations a good cleaning too. After the holidays, store decor in airtight containers. If you've opted for a real tree, don't keep it too long. Mold spores increase over time. Finally, watch out for fireplaces and scented candles, which can also aggravate allergies. And see an allergist if symptoms linger past the festive season. With this Medical Minute, I'm Michelle Franzen.